What is up, guys? Crustless Crypto here, back with another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're at 305 subscribers. I will be doing a $50 giveaway of EGLD at my 500 subscriber mark. So please hit that subscribe button and let's get on to this video here. As you can see, Elrond is sitting at 182. I like it because what it's doing right now is just consolidating and just trading sideways. Last time we traded sideways, it shot up all the way up to 240. So right now, it's good that it's sustaining its price point. I'm not worried about this coin. Again, every single video I'm saying, collecting those dividends and just continuing to get those rewards, guys. I'm trying to put more to stake inside of Elrond. So there's a lot of good updates that's coming out, and that's what I'll be talking about today. So brand new, hot off the press, simplified EGLD onboarding for 170 countries in Maiar via the Ramp network. So what does this mean for us, guys? Ramp added to Maiar, right? 0% fees, and it supports Visa, MasterCard, and banks. So obviously, as you can see here, you can choose your provider, you choose your region, and then you can select your different type of funds transferring. So users from 170 countries can now get EGLD straight from the Maiar app. The Ramp network payment processor is live in the app. Enjoy 0% fees for a limited time when you purchase via a credit card and bank transfer directly from the app. So they're trying to incentivize you guys, whoever is trying to purchase EGLD directly on the Maiar app. You can now do that. You don't have to go through any exchange. You'll be going through Ramp network in order to purchase that EGLD. Regular users typically don't manage digital document verification processes on their own and therefore are not able to complete a cryptocurrency purchase. Thanks to Ramp's innovative pass-through KYC method, so know your customer, this important class of users can now buy EGLD as easily as if they were shopping online. Just like you're buying something on Amazon, guys. Ramp Network is available in 170 countries and territories. Their innovative Easy Bank payment solution is available for customers of a significant number of banks, which is constantly growing. Their solution is available as a regular web platform or can be easily integrated to allow in-app purchases. They additionally offer crypto purchases using regular means such as credit cards, bank transfers, and Apple Pay. You can now select Ramp Network as an on-ramp for purchasing EGLD from the Maiar app. So this is awesome, guys. So now they're making it easy for people in 170 countries to buy EGLD directly from the Maiar app. I know they had MoonPay, I believe, that they're using as a provider, but now they added Ramp, and now they're doing 0% fees, and that's huge, guys, because I know some credit card or some third-party transactions they charge you 2%. I know crypto.com, you want to buy $1,000 worth of something, you have to pay $60 sometimes in fees just to be able to buy that off your debit card. So to me, this is huge, guys. You can be able to buy. You don't have to go through an exchange anymore. You can do it directly on the Maiar app. And this is just going to increase adoption, increase accessibility. And I think that's completely good news. I think that's great news for Elrond here. Small steps like this, small dubs, goes a long way. Now, of course, for you US people out there, I know you guys want to buy EGLD from the Maiar app as well. Well, Benjamin Minku is going to be addressing that. P.S. Working on making buys available in the US. Found a new partner and pushing to get this done. Lots of legal bottlenecks, but making progress, guys. America is such a legally challenging, country against cryptocurrency. Like they make it hard for people to do crypto in the US. And this is something that's kind of annoyed me lately, that I've had to deal with personally, is having to go through the legal, as a U.S. citizen, have to go through the intricacies. But, it is what it is, guys. You can't control where you're born or where you're a citizen of. So, as you can see, they're working on the U.S. They're trying to figure out a way. So they know. They're not forgetting about us, guys. So, what else is in the pipeline here? The Maiar Exchange Snapshot interface is live. MEX balances increase after each weekly snapshot cycle. The first cycle is in progress, so we all know I talked about the MEX, the Maiar Exchange release. Obviously, the daily snapshots are occurring as we speak. The first MEX balance calculations will be displayed again after the first weekly snapshot. So now today is Thursday. It started on Monday. We're transitioning into Friday. So I think this is awesome. And as you can see here, they kind of overhauled their Maiar exchange. They got this moving globe in the background, which is pretty awesome. They shrunk everything down. And as you can see here, they have a snapshot of exactly when they capture your balance, and it's randomized. I know someone in the comment section in my other video talked about it. It's a good thing because people don't know when these snapshots are happening. So as you can see here, we're at Thursday. It's going to go to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I think they're slowly updating the Maiar exchange platform. It looks good. Obviously, the features are not available yet, so you can't connect your Maiar yet. You can look at the documentation, frequently asked questions, but you cannot connect it, or you can't check how much MEX you're entitled to that you can claim. So they're saying that it's going to be coming after the first week. So we'll come back to this on Monday and take a look at that. So again, there's a lot of things in the pipeline here. They're still working, but to me, this is amazing. The price is at 181, and the Maiar exchange is getting there, guys. And I think this is going to be a huge step in the right direction for a price pump, and I think that Elrond is going to be on its way to at least $500 in the near future. So please tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. What do you guys think of Elrond? Is it taking small victories, or do you guys think it's just taking its time? I love you guys. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. You guys have a great night or day wherever you are. See you in the next video.